If you're familiar with flu, who's familiar with flu? Influenza. Okay. Of course, all of you are familiar with COVID. So most of these viruses starts with a mild type of infection. No? Yung sore throat, masakit ang katawan, okay? Nasal congestion, and then a lot of these patients will also have fever. That's how virus behave. But there is a segment or the part of the course of this viral infection that they will go into a severe form of the infection. And when you look at severity of a viral infection, just like what we have experienced with flu or even COVID, sino ba yung natatamaan at magiging severe? Senior citizen. Our experience with COVID will really be a draft back of why we are really looking at this particular virus probably as the next most important virus